Hello, and welcome to our video. In this video, we'll be discussing some simple and effective tips for whitening and brightening the appearance of your eyes. First, let's talk about the importance of proper eye hygiene. Keeping your eyes clean and well moisturized is crucial for maintaining their natural brightness and clarity. Make sure to regularly clean your eyelids and lashes with a gentle, oil-free cleanser, and use a moisturizing eye cream or gel to keep the delicate skin around your eyes hydrated. Another important tip for brightening your eyes is to get plenty of sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your eyes can look tired, puffy, and dull. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help your eyes look their best. You can also try using eye drops to help brighten and refresh your eyes. Look for drops that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, which can help to moisturize and soothe tired, dry eyes. If you're struggling with dark circles under your eyes, there are a few things you can try. One option is to use a cold compress to help reduce puffiness and improve circulation. You can also try using eye cream or serum specifically formulated to target dark circles. Look for products that contain ingredients like caffeine, niacinamide, or vitamin C, which can help to improve the appearance of dark circles over time. Finally, don't forget the power of a good eye makeup routine. Using a brightening eye primer and a light-colored eyeshadow can help to make your eyes look more awake and radiant. Avoid heavy, smoky eye looks, as they can make your eyes look smaller and more tired. We hope these tips have been helpful for getting clear and brighten eyes. Remember, proper eye hygiene, plenty of sleep, and the right eye products can all make a big difference in the appearance of your eyes. Thanks for watching.